Durban is a city full of life, culture, and breathtaking views. But what's the best way to explore it without breaking the bank? Meet the People's Mover bus, an affordable and efficient way to travel through the heart of Durban. Today, we are hopping on board and taking you to some of the city's most iconic landmarks. This bus system is designed for convenience, running through Durban's most popular areas with comfortable seating, large windows for sightseeing, and frequent stops. It's the perfect ride for both locals and tourists. Our journey starts at the Durban Harbour, where we get a glimpse of the MSC Nelson Mandela Cruise Terminal. Today, a stunning cruise ship is docked, ready to set sail on a luxurious ocean adventure. As we head into the city, we pass by the Durban City Hall, a grand colonial era building that houses the Durban Museum, filled with fascinating exhibits on the city's history. Next, we visit the Jumuah Mosque, popularly known as the Grey Street Mosque, one of the largest mosques in the Southern Hemisphere, known for its breathtaking architecture. Just a few streets away, we reach Victoria Market, a lively market filled with colorful spices, handmade crafts, and Durban's famous Indian street food. Right across from Victoria Market lies a historic graveyard, a resting place for early settlers and a reminder of Durban's rich multicultural heritage. The People's Mover takes us past the Durban ICC, one of the Africa's top international conference centers. Further ahead, we reach the iconic Mabhida Stadium, where you can take the sky for panoramic views of the city or try the Big Rush Swing, one of the world's tallest swing jumps. Heading towards the beachfront, we stop at uShaka Marine World, home to Africa's largest aquarium, thrilling water rides, and beachfront restaurants. Later, we reach the workshop, a historic train station turned into a shopping and dining hub. For a true taste of Durban's daily life, the early morning market is a must visit. Vendors here sell fresh produce, flowers, and traditional Indian spices, making it a vibrant and authentic experience. As we continue, we pass Addington Hospital, one of Durban's oldest medical institutions. Near the beachfront, we reach Suncoast Entertainment, a lively complex with casinos, restaurants, and cinemas. Right around the corner, we find the Durban Holocaust and Genocide Center, a powerful museum dedicated to educating visitors about history's darkest chapters. The People's Mover is more than just a bus. It's a moving city tour connecting Durban's past, present, and future. Whether you are here for history, culture, nature, or stunning views, this is the best way to see it all. If you enjoyed this journey, hit that like button, subscribe for more travel content, and let us know in the comments which stop would you like to visit.